From the Spyderco Paramilitary 2's premium steel blade and sturdy handle to the reliable CRKT Homefront Hunter, we've got the best of the best. Whether you're going camping or need a reliable tool for everyday use, these folding knives will exceed your expectations. Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Are you looking for a high-quality folding knife that can handle anything you throw at it? Look no further than the Spyderco Paramilitary 2. This knife is a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and everyday carry enthusiasts alike. One of the most striking features of the Paramilitary 2 is its blade. Made from premium CPMS 30V steel, it holds an edge exceptionally well and is resistant to corrosion and wear. The blade is also incredibly versatile, with a full flat grind that makes it easy to slice through all kinds of materials. But the blade is just the beginning. The Paramilitary 2 is also built to last. It features a sturdy, ergonomic handle made from textured G10 that provides a comfortable and secure grip, even in wet or slippery conditions. The knife also has a solid liner lock mechanism that keeps the blade firmly in place during use. One of the things that sets the Paramilitary 2 apart from other folding knives is its ease of use. The knife opens smoothly and quickly with the signature Spyderco thumb hole, and the handle has a 4-position pocket clip that allows you to carry it in a variety of ways. And with its rugged construction and versatile blade, the Paramilitary 2 is equally at home in the backcountry or on your daily commute. Cold Steel Recon 1. Are you on the hunt for a reliable and high-performance folding knife? The Cold Steel Recon 1 might just be the one for you. This knife is built to withstand tough conditions and perform under pressure. Its blade is made from premium Japanese AUS 8A stainless steel, which is known for its sharpness and edge retention. The blade also features a durable and non-reflective black coating, making it an ideal choice for tactical applications. The handle of the Recon 1 is equally impressive. Made from G10, it offers a comfortable and secure grip, even in wet or slippery conditions. The knife also features a tough and reliable lock mechanism that keeps the blade firmly in place during use. But what really sets the Recon 1 apart is its versatility. With its partially serrated blade, it's great for a variety of cutting tasks, from slicing through rope and webbing to chopping through wood and other tough materials. And thanks to its ambidextrous thumb stud, the knife is easy to open and use with either hand. Overall, the Cold Steel Recon 1 is a top-quality folding knife that offers both style and substance. Whether you're using it for outdoor adventures, tactical situations, or everyday tasks, you can count on the Recon 1 to perform at the highest level. Zero Tolerance 0450 CF. Looking for a folding knife that offers a perfect balance of style and performance? The Zero Tolerance 0450 CF might be just what you need. One of the most impressive features of the 0450 CF is its blade. Made from premium CPMS 35VN steel, it's designed to withstand even the toughest cutting tasks with ease. The blade is also coated with DLC for enhanced performance and a sleek matte black finish. But it's not just the blade that sets the 0450 CF apart. The knife's handle is equally impressive. The front handle scale is made from durable and lightweight carbon fiber, while the back handle is made from sturdy titanium. This combination of materials creates a knife that is both strong and lightweight, making it ideal for outdoor adventures or everyday carry. The knife also features a sturdy and reliable frame lock mechanism that keeps the blade securely in place during use. And with its ambidextrous flipper, it's easy to open and use. Whether you're using it for outdoor activities, tactical situations, or everyday tasks, the Zero Tolerance 0450 CF is an exceptional folding knife that won't let you down. CRKT Homefront Hunter. Are you in the market for a high-performance folding knife that offers both convenience and durability? The CRKT Homefront Hunter is for you. One of the standout features of this knife is its innovative field strip technology, which allows you to easily disassemble and clean the knife without any tools. This feature makes it a great choice for outdoor enthusiasts who need a knife that can stand up to tough conditions and be easily maintained. But that's not all. The Homefront Hunter also features a tough and durable blade made from high-quality steel. With a blade length of 3.57 inches, it's the perfect size for a variety of tasks, from cutting through rope and webbing to slicing through meat and other food items. The handle of the knife is made from glass-reinforced nylon, which provides a comfortable and secure grip even in wet or slippery conditions. And with its reliable liner lock mechanism, you can trust that the blade will stay securely in place during use. Kershaw Blur. The Kershaw Blur is a sleek and stylish folding knife that is built to last. One of the most impressive features of this knife is its blade. which is made from high-quality Sandvik 14C28N steel and features a durable DLC coating for enhanced performance. But that's not all. The handle of the knife is equally impressive, made from 6061 T6 aluminum with TrackTech inserts for a comfortable and secure grip. And with its lightweight design and compact size, the Blur is easy to carry and use wherever you go. The knife's blade length of 3.375 inches is the perfect size for a wide range of tasks, from slicing through rope and cutting food to more heavy-duty tasks like camping and hunting. And with its reliable liner lock mechanism, you can trust that the blade will stay securely in place during use. Buck Knives 110 Folding Hunter. The Buck Knives 110 Folding Hunter is a classic and timeless folding knife that has been trusted by generations of hunters and outdoors enthusiasts. The knife features a 2.25-inch blade made of 420 HC stainless steel, which provides excellent strength and edge retention while also being corrosion-resistant. The blade is designed to hold an edge well and withstand tough use, making it a reliable tool for any outdoor adventure. The Folding Hunter's handle is crafted from durable and attractive wood, giving the knife a classic and traditional look. The knife's closed length is 3.125 inch, making it easy to carry in a pocket or on a belt. Additionally, the knife features a reversible and removable deep carry pocket clip, allowing for versatile and convenient carry options. One of the most useful aspects of the Buck Knives 110 Folding Hunter is its versatility. The knife is suitable for a wide range of outdoor activities, including hunting, camping, hiking, and fishing. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry on the go, while its reliable and durable construction ensures it can withstand tough outdoor conditions. SOG Flash 2. The SOG Flash 2 is a reliable and efficient folding knife that every outdoor enthusiast should consider. With its impressive features and specifications, it's no wonder why this knife is one of the top picks for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike. One of the most notable features of the SOG Flash 2 is the SOG-assisted technology. This technology ensures that the blade opens quickly and smoothly with just one hand, thanks to the piston lock and sliding button. It's a great feature for those who need a reliable and efficient tool in critical situations. The glass-reinforced nylon handle is another feature that sets the SOG Flash 2 apart from other knives in its class. The handle is lightweight yet durable, making it easy to carry around without adding extra weight to your gear. Additionally, the textured handle provides a firm grip, which is especially useful in wet or slippery conditions. The drop point, half-serrated AUS-8 blade with satin finish is also worth mentioning. This blade is both sharp and sturdy, making it ideal for a variety of cutting tasks. The blade is versatile enough to be used for everything from chopping wood to slicing through tough materials. Overall, the SOG Flash 2 is a versatile and reliable folding knife that's perfect for anyone who loves spending time outdoors or needs a reliable tool for everyday use. Its excellent features and durable construction make it a great addition to any outdoor enthusiast's gear collection. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. See you next time and take care. Thanks for watching.